Hey guys! Do you know that you can add any content type into the normal submenu as well? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a hybrid submenu like this. As you can see, there are some text links below the menu header, a banner at the bottom, and some menu items at the center. For the tutorial, I will use the boilerplate paged off-canvas menu from Mortar Menu's template library. I will add some content into this MacBook submenu. It's pretty simple to do that. You just need to wrap content inside a list item. I will use the block element and set the HTML tag to the li tag. Now you can add content into the block element however you want. I will speed things up a little bit. Again, make sure to use the li tag else things might not be rendered properly. That's it. All you need to remember is to wrap content inside a block with the li tag. Thanks for watching.